New tonight at 10, a Colorado couple paying for health care in a way they never expected. Reporter Marshall Zelinger, always investigating, digging into a local business charging customers a new and potentially illegal fee.
120 miles southwest of Denver, in the small mountain town of Buena Vista, with these views of Mount Princeton in their backyard.
You can't treat people this way. You just can't. This is a small town.
Sherry and Kurt Welty proudly retired here more than a decade ago. In that time, they've hired several contractors to repair or renovate their home.
In my opinion, it seems like a phony charge.
Including a local man who owns Comfort Heating and Plumbing.
This is the furnace.
Recently hired to fix this broken furnace.
The piece that was replaced.
After the contractor repaired their furnace, he sent this invoice.
We've used this company many times and have been happy and satisfied with the service and the pricing.
Both feeling under the weather, the couple paid the bill, not thinking they needed to review each charge from a company they've used in the past.
When I went back, there were a couple charges on there that seemed odd to me, questionable, you might say.
The questionable charge she's referring to is this.
Why are you charging this? Is it some sort of a political statement? What are you doing?
The bill includes a Health Care Act adjustment with an $11 price tag.
Never seen that before.
An $11 fee, leaving the Welty family to wonder if it's legal for companies to pass this health care cost on to customers.
We haven't seen this health care fee be imposed yet. I mean, not that it's not happening, but it hasn't been reported to us in any way.
Megan Herrera with the Denver Better Business Bureau says it's not uncommon for businesses to pass costs on to customers.
It's important that if businesses decide to do this, that they word it in a way that it's clear to the consumer and it's not misleading.
No matter how clear it is, Colorado's Attorney General telling 7 News, quote, by law, it is illegal for any business to represent a charge as a government mandate if it is not.
The way it shows up on the bill, the impression that you get is this is some kind of a fee that is being imposed, so therefore he has to charge it.
For Sherry and Kurt Welty, they want to make sure Health Care Act adjustment fees don't start showing up on other bills.
It wasn't a large amount, but that, to me, wasn't the purpose. Is everybody going to do this?
The grocery store going to put on a line for health care for their employees, other tire shops, our hardware stores.
With producer Jennifer Kovaleski in Buena Vista, Marshall Zelinger, 7 News.
And we spoke with the owner of Comfort Heating and Plumbing in Buena Vista, and following our investigation, the company says it has removed that Health Care Act line item from its bills. The owner admitting it was worded improperly. He now says he will have to make up those costs by rising prices in other indirect ways.